both are doing on top of the table? Well, he climbed himself up in there.
He's in there now?
Yes. And it's snowing like a sumbitch.
He probably can't get down.
And he can't get down, and he's like troubled. So I'm here taping him with a little camcorder thing because I think it's hilarious. He found himself in a little bit of a pickle. Can't come out of it. Fixing to go rescue Ray. Well, the snow just started falling, so anyway, not a very bright dog.